Today I'm going through the vertical heat press machine heatset insert tool with a 210mm insertion height and the M2 through M8 tips. You will find a link to purchase this and other models at a discount in the description below the video. You can place your order right now. I'm using a screen recording for this walkthrough because I can't show the unit on camera at the moment, but the goal stays the same. I want you to see what this thing actually offers and what to expect if you're thinking about picking it up. The idea behind this machine is simple.
Did you know that the best discounts on Amazon last only a few hours? That's why I launched 2 channels where I publish the highest discounts on Amazon products in real time every day. Follow the link in the description and subscribe to our Threads and Telegram channels right now to consistently save money on your everyday purchases.
It replaces the shaky job of installing heatset inserts with a soldering iron. The vertical press gives you a straight push and keeps the insert aligned as it heats and sinks into the plastic. On paper, this sounds nice, and when it works right, it does feel cleaner than using a hand tool. The frame looks basic though. It's a lightweight metal body, not the kind of heavy industrial build you might hope for. It's fine for small prints, but I wouldn't trust it with anything that needs serious pressure. The included heatset tips cover M2 to M8, which is good if you bounce between small parts and chunkier brackets. The tips heat up fast enough, but the temperature control feels pretty rough. There's not much feedback, and you end up guessing the exact heat. If you're used to soldering stations with stable temps, this will feel like a step down. The press movement is smooth enough, but it has some play. You can feel a little wobble on the way down, so you need to hold the part steady or it might tilt. The 210mm insertion height helps when you're working with taller prints, but the machine isn't very deep. Larger pieces that stick out past the base get awkward fast. If your projects are small and flat, you'll be fine. If you print big stuff, you'll fight with the workspace. The handle action is light, which is nice, but it also shows how little force the frame can take. I wouldn't push too hard or you may bend something over time. Heatset inserts come out clean once you dial in your timing. The issue is, you have to learn the timing on your own because the machine doesn't help you with consistent heat. When you get it right, inserts sit straight and flush, and that's the main reason to consider this tool. If you're doing a lot of mechanical 3D prints, a vertical press does reduce mistakes. There are some small annoyances. The tips don't always seat perfectly and may loosen if you bump them. The base plate warms up during longer sessions, even though it's not meant to. And the machine has a bit of a cheap smell the first few times you run it. It fades, but it's there. Cable routing could be better too. It hangs in the way if you move around your bench. Overall, this machine works, but it feels like a budget option. It helps with alignment and repeatability, and that's the main win. But you trade that for rough temperature control and a frame that doesn't feel solid. If you only need a vertical press sometimes, it might make sense. If you're building stuff every day, you may want something sturdier. If this helped, hit subscribe and drop a like.